Hello student, good morning all of you. Dear student, we have already read about kinds of sentence in previous lecture. Today we are going to study about subject and predicate. Dear student, a sentence can be divided in two parts, subject and predicate. Any sentence we can divide in two parts, subject and predicate. First of all, we will learn about subject. In a sentence, the person or thing that performs the action is called the subject. In any sentence, the person or things perform the action is called subject. किसी भी सेंटेंस में कोई व्यक्ति या वस्तु कार्य को करता है, इट इज डूअर, ये करने वाला है, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? सब्जेक्ट कहते हैं. और इन अदर वर्ड्स, द सब्जेक्ट इज द पार्ट दैट टेल्स अस हु और व्हाट द सेंटेंस इज अबाउट. ये सेंटेंस किसके बारे में कहा है? ये सेंटेंस किसके बारे में बता रहा है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द कार इज येलो इन कलर. द कार इज येलो इन कलर. द चिल्ड्रेन were flying kites in the park. They went to the zoo with their children. In this sentence, the car is yellow in color. The car is subject because other words, yellow in color, it says the color of the car. In second sentence, the children were flying kites in the park. In this sentence, the children are doer. They went to the zoo with their children. In this sentence, they, it is subject. So, in these sentences, underlined words are subject, because in this sentence they are doer. ये लोग काम करने वाले हैं. Now we will know about predicate. What is predicate? Predicate, the rest part of the sentence. It says that the rest part of the sentence tells us what the subject is or does. That part is called the predicate. Repeat again. The rest part of the sentence tells us what the subject is or does. That part is called the predicate. सेंटेंस का जो बाकी भाग है वो हम लोगों को यह कहता है कि सब्जेक्ट क्या है और वह क्या कर रहा है. उस पार्ट को हम लोग प्रेडिकेट कहते हैं. इन अदर वर्ड्स, the predicate is the part that tells us what the subject does or is. Example, the dog barked at the stranger. Jagriti bought some chocolates for her sister. John plays the piano in a restaurant. In these sentences, in first sentence, the dog barked. The dog barked. The dog is doer. But other parts tells us the dog is doer and it barked at the stranger. यह जो क्रिया कर रहा है वह किसी विचित्र व्यक्ति पर, किसी अनजाने व्यक्ति पर भौंका. जागृति bought some chocolates for her sister. In this sentence, Jagriti, it is subject and she bought some chocolates for her sister. In this sentence, John plays the piano in a restaurant. Now, in this sentence, John, it is subject and rest part is predicate. Jagriti bought some chocolates for her sister. In this sentence, Jagriti is subject and the rest part of the sentence is predicate. The dog barked at the stranger. In this sentence, the dog, it is subject and the rest part of the sentence is predicate. Okay. Now we know some more about subject and predicate. No, the subject may consist of only one word or it may consist of a group of words. सब्जेक्ट एक शब्द भी होता है और एक ग्रुप, ये शब्दों का समूह भी होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जतीन बॉट ए पेयर जीन्स. जतीन एक पेयर जीन्स खरीदा. इन दिस सेंटेंस, जतीन, ओनली वन वर्ड, it is subject. But in other sentence, a beautiful marble statue stood in the middle of the park. In this sentence, a group of words is subject. So we know a sentence, in a sentence, a word is subject and we know by second sentence a group of words is subject. Okay, dear student, now read these sentences. Sentence first, there are 3 kittens on the rooftop. Here is a book you can read. It is a decision you have to take. Dear student, what do you think is the subject in each of these sentences? What do you think? For sentences beginning with there is, there are, here is, here are, it is, we should keep in mind that these words do not indicate the subject of the sentence. इसमें कोई वर्ड इंडिकेट नहीं कर रहा है कि सब्जेक्ट क्या है. लेट अस लर्न how we should determine the subject in these sentences. Like, there are 3 kittens on the rooftop. Who is on the rooftop? In first sentence, it says that there are 3 kittens on the rooftop. Who is on the rooftop? Who is on the rooftop? The kittens. The kittens. 3 kittens. It is dual. It is dual. It is subject. It is subject. In this sentence, 3 kittens is subject. And second sentence, there is a book you can read. Who can read a book? In this sentence, who can read a book? इस सेंटेंस में कौन किताब पढ़ रहा? कौन किताब पढ़ सकता है? You. In this sentence, you is subject. And third sentence, it is a decision you have to take. Who has to take a decision. In this sentence, who has to take a decision? इस सेंटेंस में कौन डिसीजन लिया? You. So you is subject in this sentence. Understand? Now read these sentences. Stand up. In this sentence, no subject. Read the book. Don't sit here. In this sentence, any word, no subject. So we determine what is subject. Can you point out the subject and the predicate? In these sentences given above, we have learned that in imperative sentence, the subject you is implied. ना, इस तरह के imperative sentence में you subject को हम लोग implied करते हैं, जैसे stand up, है ना? In this sentence, you is subject. It is subject for this sentence. You is subject. In this sentence, you is subject. This type of sentence, you determine that you is subject included it. Okay, understand? You learn, you remember it and write in your notebook. Okay.